morning, y'all. I am helping Jeff and 2 and later on 3 of my sons in an insulated concrete house. ICF. It's called, there's a way to build a house and it's called ICF, and that stands for insulated concrete forms. Anyway, that's how they build houses. And so what they've done is they've built up these foam forms up, and they've built the wall. They've built it up to the height of the wall, and now a concrete truck comes, and with an arm, I'll film a little bit of it. With a big long arm, it pours down the concrete inside those forms, which then form the walls, and it creates a highly efficient and insulated house. It's a good way to do it. But so today is the big pour for 2 of the houses, and when that happens, it's all hands on deck. So I was there putting some things together for them. I've got rust all over my hands from some things I've been working with, and I realized I had my good coat on, which was not smart. I should have known better. So I've come home just very briefly to grab my work coat, and then I'm going to be back at it, and I'll make some film so that you guys can see what it's like. Hey guys, as I was sitting here I'm going to show you what my process here of my little job that I'm doing. So I take this thing, and then I put this on, and then I put one of these things on, and then I put this on. So, and this right here, so I'm doing this with my left hand, and that was the side that was affected by my stroke. And so I remember it just brought back a memory. I used to have a little bolt like this in my purse that I would carry around with me, and I would put one on and off, a bolt and I can't remember what this is called. Anyway, a lag maybe. Anyway, and I would do it. I would put it on and off with my left hand all the time as a form of therapy. So if somebody's trying to get back their dexterity, that's a good practice. And I was so slow at it. I could barely do it. But I kept after it, and it got better. I'm still not very fast. It's still my non-dominant hand, and I'm not very good at it. As you can see, I still prefer to do things with my right hand. It's a little faster. So anyway, this is how I'm doing my part, and it made me think of a good rehab exercise. And I just wanted to share that with you. So here's my next unskilled labor job, and it is keeping this bucket filled with water so that we can keep the floor wet while they are. See how that just happened? That concrete just fell on our floor. And so I and Jake is in here trying to keep the blocks of concrete cleaned up that spill over. trying to sweep all the stuff away so that our floor remains smooth, because we'll end up acid staining this floor, and this will be the floor that is lived on in this house. Anyway, you know, I talked to you a little bit about what I did for rehab on my stroke. Anyway, but there was a time right after my stroke that I could not hold a broom and sweep. And so it makes me really happy now. And I feel very blessed to just be able to do this little bit to contribute to my family. Anyway. All right, that's it.